Hey, welcome back to Travis Fam Adventures. I'm Jason, and today we're going to show you how we filter our drinking water while hiking and camping using a Sawyer squeeze and a Canuck Vecto. So hang out just a few seconds. We'll be right back to show you how we do it. Hey, thanks for sticking around with us. Let me go through the components that we use to filter our water. First is the Canuck Vecto bag. It's available in orange and blue, 2 and 3 liter sizes with 2 different size caps on it. Below that, we use the good old Sawyer squeeze. I've used several types of filters in different sizes, and this is my favorite. Beneath that, you'll need some sort of adapter to connect your filter to your bottles that's threaded on both sides. This one is made by Sawyer. It is very high quality. It creates a very good seal. So sometimes I have problems with vacuum, and once the pressure builds up, it stops filtering. So I switched to this that I 3D printed at my school. It's a great little piece. It's actually a horrible printing, but that helps. It lets air escape without water coming through. And then my preferred filter container or water container is a smart bottle. This one I've been practicing with, so it's in kind of rough shape, but these bottles will last forever. I usually keep one that's a full liter size with me just about everywhere I go. When you get this size, it comes with a sport cap that pops open, which is perfect either for back flushing the filter or for just putting on the end of the filter when you're drinking directly from your filter. Now, I like the Canuck company. They're based in the United States, and they're really trying to bring all of their manufacturing back to the United States. I have even invested in their Kickstarter program to bring their trekking pole manufacturing back to the United States. I have several bags. I have a cold soak bag. I've bought several cap adapters. I believe they're just a really good company. Next, I want to show you how I pack this when I'm not filtering the water. Coghlan's makes a 3-bag ditty bag set. And there's some great bags. I use them to carry my microfiber towel and to carry my candle lantern. But the packaging is the greatest part. The packaging that it comes in is this mesh bag with a drawstring and a cord lock. Don't cut the packaging when you buy the Coghlan's 3-bag ditty bag set. The filter fits in. My Vecto fits in. My carabiner, my adapter, my sport cap, heck, my other adapter, my other cap, and my other carabiner. It all fits in there and fits rather tight, compactly, and secure to go in my pack. Now let me show you how we assemble the system. The first take, I made a big mess, so we're starting over. So you take your Vecto, hang it upside down, and remove the small cap. Then you attach your Sawyer with the flow arrow pointing up. Next is your cap adapter, your bottle adapter. Do not attach this tight. You want this loose for airflow. Then your smart bottle, screw it all the way down tight and back that off so it's still loose on there. All right, I'm going to start a timer as soon as I get everything up in there ready to go. Make sure everything is secure. All right, the timer's at 0. Ready, set, go. Be prepared to get a little wet. All right, we are full. So we hang the bag upside down, which turns off the flow. We disconnect the bottle. Disconnect the filter and put the lid back on the Vecto and hang it up. 1 minute and 10 for 700 milliliters. That works out to be about 1 minute and 40 seconds for a liter. Not so bad. It's pretty fast flow rate with no squeezing. It's called the Sawyer squeeze, but with this gravity system, you don't have to squeeze. Now, if you're like me, you may not need to filter water every day. It has been several months since I've used my Sawyer squeeze and it completely dried out. When that happens, the flow rate goes down drastically. The solution I found to fix that is I put hot water inside a metal coffee cup, put my Sawyer squeeze down in there and put the lid on it and let it sit for an hour. Once all the fibers were moistened back up and whatever had dried in there had become in solution again, I put my blue Sawyer adapter on. I screwed my water bottle to that and put it on the ground and stepped on it and forcefully backwashed the filter 2 to 3 times to get whatever was in there out. And now my flow is back up to the speeds that I like. So that's how we use the Sawyer squeeze water filter and the Canuck Vecto water bag to filter our drinking water when we're hiking and camping with gravity and no squeezing. If you've learned something today, click our subscribe button and watch more of our videos below. This is Jason with Travis Fam Adventures, and we hope that you find an adventure every day. God bless.